Hello everyone, welcome to the standard third subject maths. So today we will discuss about our next topic, mirror halves. Let's start tit for tat. One day Amina met a painter. Amina said, "Can you make my picture?" Painter said, "Yes, sure. I charge rupees 200 for it." After a while, the painter showed her the picture. Then painter said, "Amina, how do you like it?" Amina said, "But this is only half." Then painter said, "The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture. Now can I have my money?" Amina gave him a 100 rupee note. Painter said, "But this is only half the money." Then Amina said, "The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money. Ha ha." So Amina got half picture. So she gave money to the painter half. So tit for tat. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only one half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. If you have mirror, you can try to do this picture. You can see this half part only given. First picture is given butterfly, then lamb, then half face of cat, then star, and last one is fish. If you will try to doing it with a mirror, it will look like this. You can draw in your textbook also this half part. Half part is already given. Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following? No, we cannot repeat the painter's trick. If you ask the painter to draw things which cannot be divided into two similar mirror halves, then he cannot play the trick. Draw three more such things which do not have similar mirror halves. Now here you have to draw three things which do not have similar mirror halves. See, first you can draw this compass box. Then you can draw your textbook's front page, Math Magic. Then this pen. These three things do not have similar mirror halves. Mirror halves. Look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divided each picture into two similar mirror halves? Let's see. First one, yes. Then second one, also yes. Third one, no. Then fourth one also no. Then this fifth one, yes. Then this, no. Then this, yes. Then this, also yes. This, no. This one also, no similar mirror halves. This, yes. This one also, yes. This, yes. This one also yes. This, no. This one also, no. If you have textbook, you can take. Give some more example. Now here we have to give more example which picture have two similar mirror halves. Let's see this one. This flower also two similar mirror halves. Then this alphabet A also. Then this 8 digit also same part. And this X also same mirror halves.